This video is an introduction to the Learning Media DB platform provided by EnterMedia. It was designed for and driven by clients who are universities, nonprofits, and general education providers. This demo will highlight a few of the features that this industry uses to manage and interact with their assets within the media database. We'll start by demonstrating controlled vocabulary. This feature allows content managers to require fields and provide lists of acceptable terms for labeling assets. Strategic use of detailed taxonomy, required fields, and controlled vocabulary can be used to provide a logical, intuitive, and consistent user experience across the application. For example, when uploading a new asset, the system can be made to require fields. These fields can be a combination of predetermined lists, multi-select lists, free-form text fields, dates, numbers, courses, instructors, and cascading drop-downs that provide more granular results based on previous selections. Once the media is uploaded, the users can easily find the media based on the information provided. In this case, part of the taxonomy is an association with parallel modules for instructors and courses. If the user wants more information about either of these, they can click the name of an instructor or a course to be taken to this area. The instructor and course modules are also linked, making it easy to see important details such as location, contact information, and schedule. We will now go back to the asset module to interact with some media. EnterMedia supports a wide variety of file formats and content types. Each type of asset has its own special features. Videos can be streamed directly within the application and transcoded into multiple resolutions, from HD to mobile friendly. Word docs, PowerPoint presentations, and PDF files are text searchable and can be previewed page by page, even with hundreds of pages. Audio files can be previewed from the table or gallery view. And images can be updated via version control and custom cropped or fit to predefined parameters for publication to websites, social media, or other locations. EnterMedia supports both video on demand and live streaming. This allows users to view video content directly within the application. When we are hosting the server, these videos are delivered via CDN, which can allow for up to hundreds of simultaneous interactions. The live stream feature extends this capability to video assets that are still in the process of being recorded. This is very useful for remote users. For example, a professor can live stream a lecture currently in progress. The media database also supports external media, such as YouTube, Vimeo videos, or images hosted on third-party websites. For example, you can see that this particular image was pulled from the EnterMedia website via its URL. The same concept applies for assets stored on YouTube or Vimeo. Just add the approved URL into the Fetch URL field on the upload form and any other desired metadata. Then, let the application do the rest. With these and a number of other features, it is easy to see how using Learning Media DB to centralize, organize, and track all educational assets is the best way to get the most mileage out of your learning media.